I'm about to show you how to administer this OHC COVID-19 antigen test kit. As you empty the contents of the box, be careful not to damage the box too much because you will be using this perforated circle to hold the test tube in a little bit. Also on the box, check the expiration date. This particular one is expired, but the FDA has extended it. They have a website that shows what kits have been extended. Using the lot number that's on the side of the box, I determined that this particular one has been extended. I'll put a link to that same site in the description. Before we move on, the instructions say to blow your nose, then wash your hands. Punch out that hole in the box. Open up one of the white packets that contains the test device and just set it aside for now. Open up one of the foil packets containing the test tube. There's going to be a cap in that packet as well. Just set it aside for now. Peel the foil off the tube and place it into the box. Open up one of the cotton swabs without touching the cotton end of it. You are going to be swabbing the inside of both nostrils with this one swab. While you're inside your nose, you will be doing a circular motion like this. You need to go inside about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch if the person being tested is an adult. By the way, 3/4 is about the size of a penny. The noses of children will be smaller, of course, so you do not need to go in as much. While it's inserted in your nose, you need to go around 5 times in each nostril. Do it slowly, enough so that it takes about 15 seconds to do all 5 circles. Then take the swab and drop it all the way into the tube and stir it 11 times. Then remove the tube from the box and then squeeze the tube above the cotton end of the swab. Then pull the swab out while still squeezing the tube. Then dispose of the swab and grab the cap. You will notice a white filter on the inside of it. That is normal, so just leave it there. Squeeze the cap onto the top of the tube until it's on there securely. Have the test device situated on the table. You're going to turn the tube upside down and add 4 drops of liquid into this well right here. Once you do that, just keep the test device in place. Don't move it around. At first, the drops will seem like they don't want to come out, but keep at it by gently squeezing the tube. Once the 4 drops are in, you have to wait 15 minutes. If you lose track of time and it ends up being 20 minutes, you cannot use the results. After the time is up, look at this window here. There are 2 possible lines that can appear, one next to the C and one next to the T. If you only have a line next to C, then the test did not detect COVID in your sample. In other words, it was negative. Negative tests can sometimes be incorrect, so the instructions say to test again in 24 hours. Feel free to pause and read the fine print about that. If you get a line next to both letters, it was positive, meaning that it detected COVID in your sample. This is true even if that line next to T is very faint. Per the instructions, the chances of a false positive are small. If you only see a line next to T, or if you see no lines at all, then the test is invalid. It did not work. You will need to retest, but without reusing the same items that you just used. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. Thank you for watching.